Dear friends, today I'm going to show you how to install our Tor browser and how to be anonymous over the internet. So just open the Google search engine and type Tor browser like that, and you will find like Tor Onion browser like that, Tor project. Just open it, and whatever system you are using like Linux, Android, Apple, or maybe Windows. This time I'm using Windows, so I will download and install. Installing is very easy. Just you can go and just sit right. And after installing the, just open the like that. It's a Tor browser configuring and reading system like that. The browser will be open. Just see. This browser is very privately and secure because it's used DuckDuckGo. DuckDuckGo have no over the history of your exploration, so no one can mm, detect you after shutting down the system, what you have seen or not seen. Okay, just write DuckDuckGo, just anything like how to make money online. See, the result is showing. Just I want to show you how the Tor browser is working to be the anonymous. Just I want to show you here. This is lock button. Just click here and you will see the browser is going to Netherlands IP, then Finland ID, then United States, then DuckDuckGo. It means you are filtering from three IP state. Whenever you open the browser, automatically the IP will change to the different way. Just see that new circuit like that. The is showing that Netherlands, Germany, and Hungary, so that nobody will track you. Even the person who track you, it means always your IP will be changed so that you will be secure browsing with anonymous. Just like that. If you open any browser, just like it's the next window I am opening here in Tor browser. Just you can see here also. It's starting from Germany, then United States, Netherlands, then your site will be there. So that it's passed from the three tunnel of IP address. So it's very much difficult to uh, track you, or maybe it's right. So whatever you will serve, nobody will track easily, so that it should be the anonymous way. Dark web as well as deep web. So if you comment me, so if you want to see the how and the Tor browser work in dark as well as deep web, just I will make the next video for you. Uh, it's it's very easy to see that dark web and deep web. I will make the video for you also. So please comment me and how many person want to dislike about that. If you if you So our video, please subscribe as well as just like us and comment me whatever you want to see according to cyber security essential. Thank you.